Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your watch later videos on YouTube app. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to open YouTube. Okay, so suppose I want to save these videos as watch later. Okay, so I'll click on this three dot and click to save to watch later. Okay, so this video will be saved to watch later. Okay, so you can directly see it from here, see list, click on see list and you will see this watch later. But if you want to see your earlier videos which you have saved to this playlist save later, then just click on this profile here under the playlist, or you can click on this view all under the playlist, and here you will see watch later videos, and here you will get all the videos you have saved for watch later. Okay, so this is how you find videos which you have saved earlier for watch later. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.